And welcome to Denslet, the channel for intelligent and curious people like you who are searching for human sexuality in the age of artificial intelligence. Usually in this channel, that we try to find the best possible solution of a problem. Rather, we try to find the best possible answer to a question. So today's question is, what is the role of mathematics in our love making? Okay, the question seems to be the little bit weird, little bit bizarre, but if you know the truth, you'll be astonished because mathematics plays a surprisingly big role in our physical intimacy, in our lovemaking, both in planning and execution. You know, before we make love, we need to plan it. It doesn't come suddenly, it takes time. There is something called foreplay, etc., etc. And the execution, of course. Execution part is very important, in lovemaking. Now, you might wonder, what are the ways that, or how do I know those ways that math helps us get moving in the right direction while we are making love? Okay, so we need to break it down in three parts. Number one is setting goals and tracking progress. That means maths, mathematics helps us set realistic fitness goals, because to make love, to make any kind of physical intimate act, you need to be physically fit. So therefore, mathematics helps us to set realistic fitness goals. We can use it to track things like distance run, weights lifted, or repetitions or exercises. Everything is exercise related, but of course you need to be fit to make love. And as you grow old, it is much needed, it is more needed, right? So this ultimately lets us see how we are improving over time and adjust our goals accordingly. Number two, designing our workouts, right? Of course, it is also fitness related, but I again repeat that if you want to be a great lover, okay, if you really want to be a great lover, at least good lover, you need to be fit, physically fit, right? So we can use mathematics to design balanced and effective workouts. For example, we can calculate our target heart rate to ensure we are exercising at the right intensity for our goals. Of course, there are apps, there are different types of tools that we can use to count our heart rate and etc. etc. Of course, when you go to a gym, there is an instructor, fitness instructor, and the instructor knows everything about it, and they will guide you to the right direction. And finally, understanding our bodies, which is very important in lovemaking, because basic mathematics helps us understand how our bodies work during, not only in our physically intimate acts, but also in exercise. When we doing exercise, we can calculate our body mass index, BMI, which is very important. I will, in a separate video, I'll talk about it, BMI, why BMI is very important in also in lovemaking. I will talk about it to get a general idea of our body composition, or use formulas to estimate how many calories we are burning during a workout. Because after all, the final goal of a workout is we need to burn some calories, right? So that is it for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. If you really like, please share it with your friends, and stay safe and take care.